Motion.
Second.
Second.
In favor?
Aye.
Okay.
Okay, I have two bonds which will be dams initially, and they will be converted into bonds when we do other bonding. The first one, and I'll read the resolution. It's a resolution authorizing, subject to permissive referendum, the reconstruction of roads in and for the village of Patchogue, Suffolk County, New York, at a maximum estimated cost of $1,140,000, and authorizing the issuance of $1,140,000 bonds of said village to pay costs thereof.
We met with bond council, we spoke to bond council last week. The reason it wasn't on the original agenda is because we did not get clarification, verification from bond council Friday. But it's $1,140,000 towards paving of roads and also some curb work and some sidewalks and basically infrastructure, things that have to get done. And we're doing it first as a band. And then there were some other things, including the theater for the roof for the theater, some seats and other things for the theater, plus a number of other things that are going to be put into
Some other equipment.
the subsequent bond that's going to come up that will bring all of these together. But by doing this at this meeting, it's a 30-day.
We have a 30-day window that goes out there, and after 30 days, we're allowed to start work. And we need to get started. How are you going to work on roads in January? So we want to get started.
We can begin to start to put together the plan now. So by mid-September, beginning of October, we can at least get some of the roads done now. We can start doing some of that work now. So that's the reason it wasn't on the original agenda that was posted and put in a revised one that came in the same. But a motion to accept. Motion. Second?
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Okay, I have one more small one. This is a resolution for a couple of vehicles. The resolution reads, a resolution authorizing the purchase of vehicles in and for the village of Patchogue, Suffolk County, New York, at a maximum estimated cost of $45,000. Authorizing the issuance of $45,000 serial bonds of said village to pay the cost thereof.
These vehicles for the highway department. Motion.
Motion.
Second.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody.
On the agenda tonight was